Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Forex trading in South Africa for beginners. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Forex trading in South Africa is regulated by the FSCA, or the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, which is a regulatory framework in South Africa that authorizes brokers to offer derivative instruments to traders. Forex trading in South Africa is 100% legal as long as you are trading with a regulated and licensed broker. An average of around $25 billion is traded every day in the South African Forex market. There are approximately over 450,000 traders in South Africa, and our top 5 FSCA-regulated brokers include XNES, AvaTrade, IFX Brokers, CM Trading, and HFM. So before we delve into this video, what is Forex trading? Forex, which is also commonly referred to as FX, is a decentralized global marketplace where all the world's currencies trade with one another. It is a network of buyers and sellers who transfer currencies between each other at an agreed-upon price. Forex trading is done electronically, and all the transactions occur over global computer networks between various traders in different locations around the world. What makes Forex so appealing is that it is one of the most liquid markets in the world, with average daily trading amounts exceeding $5 trillion. Forex trading is the process of speculating on currency and commodity prices to potentially make a profit. So, how does Forex trading work? Forex is all about attempting to speculate on the fluctuating currencies between two different countries. These two currencies are usually referred to as currency pairs, and these pairs are made up of the base currency and the quote currency. Some of the most popular major currency pairs include the euro to US dollar, the US dollar to Japanese yen, the Great British pound to US dollar, and the US dollar to the Swiss franc. A Forex trader will buy and sell currencies with the main aim of making a profit. Currency trading is generally facilitated by global and central banks, with central banks being the core element of the Forex market. So what are the risks of Forex trading? The main risks of Forex trading include trading with unregulated, unlicensed offshore brokers, not having the knowledge you need to understand how or when to trade, using margin or leverage and exposing yourself to higher risk levels, trading without a strategy and not following a clear plan or budget. When beginning your trading career, you will always want to trade with a fully regulated, licensed and reputable broker. Finding the right Forex broker can be a complicated task. While most brokers may offer the same level of access and qualities in the foreign exchange market, the procedures and policies may differ dramatically. Each Forex broker will represent a different level in the industry. Some will represent a high level of expertise with direct access to the markets, while other brokers are seen as distant with very little connection on offer. Brokers offer similar instruments and trading conditions. However, similar brokers may use different execution models, which determines the type of broker it is. The main types of brokers are dealing desk brokers, no dealing desk brokers, electronic communication network brokers, straight-through processing brokers, and multilateral trading facilities. After you have decided on your preferred type of broker, the next step would be to choose your preferred type of trading account. The most common live trading account types will be based on the size of the lots an investor wishes to trade. With this taken into consideration, each different live trading account will have a different minimum deposit level associated with it. We recommend demo accounts for beginners, which allows you to trade in a simulated, risk-free market environment to practice trading and your strategies. However, you could also open mini or micro accounts, which are also sometimes referred to as cent accounts. Standard accounts, which usually have low to high minimum deposit requirements, as well as VIP and professional accounts, but we do not recommend these accounts for beginners. Brokers may also offer swap-free Islamic accounts, which are only available to traders of the Muslim faith. The account type you choose will depend on your trading knowledge and experience, your trading capital, as well as the budget and the trading conditions that align most with your trading strategy. So, how do you open a trading account with a broker? Opening a trading account is generally a straightforward process, and most Forex brokers will follow a basic sign-up structure. Applicants will need to complete a registration, which may include the completion of personal information and financial details. So how do you place your first Forex trade? After you have chosen your preferred broker, your preferred account type, and have created your trading account, the next step would be to log into your account and launch the trading platform. What you'll want to do is open your chart. You can easily change your chart types. You can add indicators and check out the drawing tools offered. And then place your order. Set stop loss and take profit levels, monitor the price changes, and complete the trade by closing it. Overall, Forex trading has the potential of being profitable. However, Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme, nor will it be fast money and success. Success and profitability in Forex can and will only be achieved when an investor understands the Forex market in its complexity, trades with the right strategy, the selection of the right broker, and the use of safeguards such as stop-loss orders. Always look at your broker's regulations, the quality of service and products provided, as well as the overall cost of trading with the broker that you choose. Remember, 75% of retail investors lose money when trading CFD and Forex instruments, and there is a high risk of losing in the Forex market when trading or speculating in Forex or commodities. Success will depend on a trader's initial experience of understanding the markets, the knowledge of different trading strategies, when to place your trade, and knowing and understanding how to read market volatility. Many Forex brokers do offer a variety of educational content to help traders understand the basics of trading. You can contact their customer support teams, open demo accounts to practice with, trade with lower amounts of capital, but most importantly, Forex trading requires time, patience, knowledge, and experience. Many trading platforms, such as MetaTrader 4 and 5, and brokers, provide a wide variety of platform tutorials to help you understand how to read graphs, place your indicators, how to use risk management tools, and how to place your first trade. So if you are a complete beginner, make sure to check out platform tutorials, read through brokers' education, but most importantly, take the time to understand your type of trading style, your preferred type of trading platform, whether that will be a mobile or desktop platform, and understanding the volatility of different currency pairs. Forex trading is very often perceived as a way to make money easily. However, it is fair to say that Forex trading can be quite difficult and may not be suitable for everyone. Beginner Forex traders should take note that it takes more or less than 1 year to fully understand and learn Forex trading. While the technical side can be grasped within a few weeks, elements such as psychology of trading and risk management take a lot longer to understand. Forex traders, and especially beginner traders, should take special care when choosing a broker because factors such as pricing, execution, and even the quality of customer service can make a huge difference to your trading experience. We have reviewed a wide variety of brokers over on our Broker Reviews playlist, so be sure to check that out. We review brokers' instruments, their account types, their trading platforms, how to open accounts, their educational resources, and more. So be sure to head over to our Broker Reviews playlist and give them a watch if you are interested. There are many people who turn to Forex trading thinking there is a lot of money to be made. However, statistics reveal that most of these aspiring Forex traders fail fast, and some even end up losing substantial amounts of money. There are plenty of ways you can teach yourself about trading, with books, websites, videos, Forex market colleges and institutions, following well-known successful traders on social media, as well as viewing Forex guides and webinars, to name a few. If you are a beginner Forex trader, a great tip is to know the fundamentals of Forex trading first. For example, educate yourself on the Forex market. Create a strong trading plan and stick to it. Test your trading plan with a risk-free demo account. Know your limits and when to stop. Try not to let emotions overrun you. And remember, slow and steady wins the race. It is important to understand that not everyone makes large amounts of returns from Forex trading, so be sure to practice, use educational resources, learn how to trade using your broker's trading platforms, and make use of your broker's customer support team, who could advise you on how to create the preferred account type that you need, which currency pairs are best suited for your type of trading needs, but most importantly, take your time in understanding the Forex market. We hope that this overview of Forex trading in South Africa for beginners was helpful to you. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave us a like, as it greatly supports our channel. Be sure to leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and also let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link provided in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.